Sometimes it can be frustrating when surface highlights don't turn out as expected. Today, I'll share some tips for controlling surface highlights using curves. In sub-D modeling, frequent adjustments to vertices can often distort highlights over time. Luckily, in Alias, there's a tool called sub-D align curve that helps maintain clean, controlled highlights. Be sure to select Create History to enable curve generation from your vertex. Adjusting the curve vertex will automatically update the sub-D to match. Use different views to fine-tune the curve vertex for the best surface highlight results. This tool makes managing your highlights much easier and more precise. This process takes time, but the result will be a highlight as smooth as a Class A surface. Thank you for watching. Happy designing. See you in the next automotive design tip video.